How to remove blackheads rapidly with lemon. Fresh lemon juice. Take fresh lemon juice, cotton swab, and water. Collect freshly extracted fresh lemon juice in a tiny bowl. Dilute with a tiny bit of water. Apply straight to affected skin using the cotton swab. Let it dry naturally. Wash off by lightly scrubbing it. Repeat 2 to 3 times each day for the best results. Fresh lemon juice with milk. Take 3 to 5 drops fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon fresh milk and water, towel. Combine fresh milk and fresh squeezed fresh lemon juice. Affect your whole face while staying away from the eye area. Allow it to take 5 to 10 minutes letting it dry. Rinse with lots of water. Pat dry having a clean, dry towel. Repeat daily for the best results. Lemon with rose water. Take 1 lemon, rose water, and cool water. Cut a lemon in 2 and squeeze the juice right into a bowl. Add equal volume of rose water. Stir well. Apply straight to the impacted quantity. Allow it to take about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse with cool water, lightly scrubbing. Repeat daily for just 2 days. Lemon with baking soda scrub. Take 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons baking soda and a pair of teaspoons brown sugar, granulated, warm water. Combine baking soda and granulated brown sugar inside a bowl. Add fresh squeezed fresh lemon juice. Stir until correctly blended. Affect moist skin, lightly scrubbing and massaging together with your fingers while focusing on dry patches and impacted quantity. Allow it to take 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat regularly for the best results.